What's up, guys? This is Jake. Today we're taking a look at the Neewer two-piece bi-color 660 LED video light and stand kit. I love these. These are actually my go-to lights. I use them here in my personal office. You can see one there and the other one over there. But I also love them because of these travel kits. They're very simple to put into these kits and actually take them on the road. I have a bigger light here that's stationary, but these are the only ones I actually use when I go other places and I want to take lighting with me. So let's take a look at these lights. You can see I have a light box on them to soften them up just a little bit, but I'm a massive fan. Really good stand on these lights. Very, very secure. Let's take a look at the back here. So you'll see you've got two dimmers. You've got one for yellow and one for white. You also have a place where you can put in batteries when you do take them on the road, and then a power cable right here. Now, obviously, anytime I'm here at the house, there's no reason, or at the office, there's no reason to use battery. I would rather just use direct to power. So you have an option. One would be for batteries, and then two right here would be to actually turn the lights on there. So let me turn the light off so you get an idea. Obviously, no light. And then we have the option, I'll just do this kind of at the wall so you can get an idea. Right, so this is turning up. Let's turn them both to 0 just so you can get an idea here. And first, we're just going to turn the yellow. So there's your yellow. Here's your white. And obviously, most of the time, you're going to want some combination of the two. Here's both of them all the way up. So I'm a big fan of these lights. Again, these are my go-tos here at the house, and they're very easy to pick up and take with you. So if you're looking for a starter, which these were for me, these were incredible. I've tried some other ones since, but these are still just my go-to. So if you're looking for really good lighting, I do highly recommend checking these out.